All right. What is next command? When I click on this button here, we already discussed about thickness, density, and cavity. Surface bias is the next one. So I click on surface bias and choose two different points, one maybe here and one here. Okay, so but before allocating a number to this function, let's talk about what is it. Minimal surfaces divide the space to two different similar sized channels. Okay. By moving the surface bias from -1 to +1, you are basically shifting that minimal surface in the negative or positive direction. And this creates different sized channels for you. Okay. I put a link at the end of this video for documentation regarding that. Feel free to go and study. But now that I chose my surface bias, I can put a value for that, or I can easily click on ESC and then tap on the button of these text dots and allocate -1, enter, and to the other one, +1, enter. Okay. Then I need to fix it a little bit because it is not located somewhere that I'm looking for. I want it to be in the let's say here and then right side exactly. Okay. And the other one, so down and left side. Okay, so it has enough room to make that transition happen. All right, so here it should also come up. Here it also needs to come. Okay, this is fine. Yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I go to compute, don't change anything else, and let's do it. Okay, so the calculation is over. And now we can see the effect of surface bias on our structure. It might look a little bit extreme, but to understand it better, click here. Okay, so what you can clearly see in this structure is that, let me just check the layers. So not all of the layers are open. Okay, here, single surface should be invisible, and we only have part 7 to have a look. I'm going to minimize everything else. There we go. So solid surface. So you can see here clearly the size of those two different channels has been changed, and the volcanoes are much, much smaller in this area, while in the other area, volcanoes are bigger than normal. We used surface bias for these results.